In today's fast-paced business environment, companies aren't just disrupting markets with product innovations or new technologies. They're often bringing entirely new business models to the table. Think about Airbnb, which didn't invent short-term accommodation, but radically changed how the industry works. This shift wasn't solely about offering a new service. It was about creating a new way of doing business. Let's dive into how companies like Airbnb use innovative business models and how the business model canvas can help you understand and design your own. Disrupting through business models. The case of Airbnb. Airbnb is one of the most well-known examples of a business model disrupting an entire industry. Traditional hotels dominated the overnight stay market for decades, but Airbnb introduced a model where residential property owners could rent out their homes to tourists, effectively creating a peer-to-peer marketplace. This not only transformed the supply side of the hotel industry, but also altered guest expectations. Instead of booking with a hotel chain, travelers could now choose from a wide variety of unique and often less expensive accommodations. Airbnb's platform facilitated everything, from matching hosts with guests to providing a secure payment system and a two-way review process to ensure trust. The result? A business model that reshaped the global accommodation industry. The same approach can be seen across industries, with companies like Fiverr revolutionizing freelance work, Udemy democratizing education, and Uber shaking up transportation. Understanding business models. The core framework. In the book, Exploring Strategy, Professor Jerry Johnson explains that to understand how companies like Airbnb operate, you need to focus on three core elements of a business model: value creation, value configuration, and value capture. Value creation. This is about how value is created for different participants. Airbnb connects property owners with guests, offering a win-win scenario where both parties benefit. Value configuration. This refers to how resources and activities are organized to create value. Airbnb uses an online platform to seamlessly match guests and hosts, creating an ecosystem of trust through reviews, secure payments, and options for customers. Value capture. This is how the company and its stakeholders earn money. In Airbnb's case, both hosts and Airbnb get paid through the platform. While this framework provides a concise overview, Alexander Osterwalder's business model canvas offers a more comprehensive approach, breaking down a company's business model into 9 interconnected building blocks. The business model canvas, 9 building blocks. The business model canvas helps companies map out their entire business, from who their customers are to how they'll make money. Here's a breakdown of the 9 essential elements. Customer segments. Identify the specific group of customers your business will serve. For instance, Airbnb focuses on travelers seeking alternative accommodations and homeowners looking to monetize their properties. Key questions include: who are our most important customers? What do they really need? Channels. Determine how you'll reach your customers. This includes both the means of communication, marketing, and the methods of delivering your product or service. Airbnb, for example, uses a global online platform to connect hosts and guests. Customer relationships. How do you want to interact with your customers? Whether through personalized support, self-service, or automation, this block defines the nature of customer engagement. Airbnb builds relationships through its review system and responsive customer service. Value proposition. What value are you offering to your customers? This is the core of the business model, encompassing what makes your service or product unique. Airbnb's value proposition lies in offering a wide range of accommodations at various price points, alongside the experience of living like a local. Revenue streams. This is all about how your business will make money. Will you charge a one-time fee, offer a subscription, or work on a commission basis? Airbnb, for instance, earns by taking a percentage of each booking. Key activities. Focus on the internal operations critical to delivering your value proposition. For Airbnb, this includes maintaining the online platform, handling customer service, and ensuring security measures are in place. Key resources. These are the essential assets needed to run your business. For Airbnb, the platform itself, its brand, and its global community of users are the key resources. Key partners. Identify the external companies, suppliers, or stakeholders that your business relies on. Airbnb collaborates with payment processors, insurance providers, and even local governments in certain markets. Cost structure. Finally, this block outlines the costs involved in operating your business. Fixed and variable costs like platform maintenance, employee salaries, and marketing budgets all fall under this category for Airbnb. Common business model patterns. When exploring the business model canvas, you might notice recurring patterns in how companies operate. Here are a few notable examples. Razor and blade. This model focuses on selling one product at a low price to generate recurring revenue from a complementary product. Gillette pioneered this by selling inexpensive razors while charging more for replacement blades. Telecom companies often use a similar model, offering cheap phones but locking customers into multi-year contracts. Freemium. Popular with online platforms, the freemium model offers basic services for free while charging for premium features. Companies like Spotify and Mindvalley attract large audiences with free content, then upsell a smaller percentage to paid services. Multi-sided platforms. This model brings together two or more distinct but interdependent customer groups. Think about video game consoles. Companies like Sony and Microsoft need a wide selection of games to attract players, while game developers need a large player base to sell their games. Innovating your business model. The business model canvas is most effective when you challenge each of its elements, asking what if to inspire innovation. By studying existing business models and adapting them to your needs, you can uncover opportunities to disrupt your industry. For example, could you adopt a multi-sided platform to bring different stakeholders together? Or perhaps you could explore a freemium model to build a user base before monetizing premium services. Whether you're launching a startup or rethinking your company's strategy, the business model canvas offers a practical way to map out, test, and innovate your business model. So, what authentic business model can you adopt to create value, configure your resources, and capture profits?